Hi friends, I hope everyone's doing good. This is a Philips Iron streamer, really very good one. Fast from start to finish, easy speed. Really very nice one which I bought from Carrefour. Really good one. It has a ceramic sole plate. Really good, 2100 watts, and it's really 110 grams steam boost. It's really very good one, and 2 year you'll get international 2 year warranty, and that's a plus point, and really it's very good. So here it comes, a world #1 brand in iron streamer. So you can go through this. Few of the features are mentioned over here. So it's really good. Speeds up your ironing in 3 ways. It's very good one. Steam boost up to 110 grams to quickly to remove stubborn greases. Trainable ceramic sole plate for easy gliding on your clothes. Really, it's a fantastic one. So I suggest my friend, if you are wanna buy something very low budget one or something good one, you can go for this brand. That is a very good brand. So let me unbox for you and let me show how exactly it looks. So here it comes. Yeah, this is a quick menu, you can go through it, and there's a warranty card. So let me show how exactly it looks. So here it comes, my brand new Philips steamer. So let me show you how exactly it looks. So here it comes. So it's very easy to handle and very easy, you can see it, and I really like this look. That's it, it's very beautiful. So I suggest my friends, you can buy this one. Thank you for watching my video. Please do subscribe my channel for more technical videos, more unboxing videos. Thank you.